How to change font size in Outlook. Hi guys, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can change font size in Outlook. So if your font size is too small or too big for you, ensure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to log in into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, by the left side of the screen, you can see some icons, right, such as mail, calendar, people, groups, to do, Excel, Word, etc. And then next to it, you can also see other options. Then you can see the home page, you can see the view page, you can see the help page. Now, for you to be able to change the font size, just move to the top right corner and then click on the settings icon. Once you've clicked on the settings icon, a box will be displayed. In this box, you will be brought to the email option automatically. Once you're on this option, you will see layout. That is where we are working, or that's what we are working with. And then under the layout option, you can see focused inbox, text size and spacing. Then you can see this will change the font size and number of messages. So currently mine is on large. So if you want to change this, just click on the one you want. Do you want it to be medium or do you want it to be small? So select it, and then once you're done selecting, click on save, and then just like that, the font size would be changed. You can see it here. It has been changed, right? Yeah, that is it. So this is how you can change font size on Outlook. Thanks for watching and do have a nice day.